Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Vizio Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for unlocking the full potential of your Vizio Smart TV, transforming how you interact with your favorite streaming services, apps, and settings with effortless control and intuitive navigation, ensuring you never miss a moment of entertainment. Number 5. XRT136 Replacement Remote for Vizio Smart TVs. Introducing the XRT136, your perfect replacement remote. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Vizio Smart TVs. This remote is compatible with numerous Vizio Smart TV models, including D-Series, E-Series, M-Series, P-Series, and more. Just insert new batteries and you're ready to go. Getting started is easy. Simply put in new batteries, and it's ready to use right out of the package. No complicated setup required. Enjoy convenient access to your favorite content, including a dedicated watch-free key for easy streaming. It supports HD, 4K, UHD, and HDR. Your purchase includes one XRT136 replacement remote control, ensuring you can quickly get back to enjoying your Vizio Smart TV. This is the ideal solution when you need a reliable replacement for your original Vizio remote. It's built for performance and ease of use. What we like. This remote is designed as a direct replacement for many Vizio models. It comes with a dedicated watch-free key for easy access to content. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss replacement that covers a vast range of Vizio TVs, this is a solid choice. What people say. It works perfectly with my Vizio Smart TV. Easy to set up and use right out of the box. All the buttons are clearly labeled and responsive. Number 4. Vizio Smart TV Remote Replacement XRT136. Introducing the ultimate replacement remote for your Vizio Smart TV. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Vizio Smart TV models. Forget complicated programming. This remote works right out of the box, simply insert batteries and it's ready to control your TV. Enjoy instant access to your most used apps with 6 dedicated shortcut buttons. Get to your entertainment faster than ever before. Experience lightning-fast response times, under 0.1 seconds, thanks to advanced infrared technology. Control your TV precisely from up to 40 feet away. Built to last, this remote has passed rigorous testing for over 150,000 clicks. You can count on its performance for years to come. We stand by our product with a 100-day warranty. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you within 12 hours. What we like. This universal remote works right out of the box with no programming required. It features shortcut buttons for quick access to your favorite apps and offers a very fast response time. If you value convenience and want to jump straight into your streaming apps without delay, this is the one for you. What people say. It works perfectly with my Vizio Smart TV. The remote is easy to set up and use. All the buttons are clearly labeled and responsive. Number 3. XRT112 Replacement Remote for Vizio Smart TV. Introducing the XRT112 Replacement Remote, designed to seamlessly control your Vizio Smart TV. It's the perfect solution for easy navigation. Forget complicated setups. Simply insert new alkaline batteries, and this remote is ready to go. No programming or pairing is required. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Vizio Smart Internet LED TV models. Enjoy broad usability without worry. Access your favorite apps instantly with dedicated shortcut keys. Stream your content faster and more conveniently. It requires 2x 1.5V AAA alkaline batteries to power your entertainment experience. Please note batteries and manual are not included. We are here to help. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're happy to assist you. What we like. This replacement remote is incredibly easy to use, requiring no programming or pairing. Just pop in new batteries and it's ready to go, with a strong signal for extended range. If you prefer a simple, user-friendly experience and don't want to deal with complicated setup, this remote is an excellent option. What people say. It works perfectly with my Vizio Smart TV. The remote has a good design and is easy to hold. All the functions work as expected, including voice control. Number 2. Vizio XRT140 Universal Smart TV Remote. Experience lightning-fast response times with this remote. It launches commands to your TV in under 0.2 seconds, ensuring a seamless viewing experience. This remote is designed for durability, with buttons tested for over 150,000 clicks. Its high-end glossy design is made from robust ABS material, ensuring it lasts. Get started right away. No pairing or programming is needed. Simply insert batteries and it's ready to use. It works with all Vizio Smart TVs, including D, E, M, P, PX, and V series. Enjoy universal control for your smart entertainment. Control your TV from across the room with its long-distance transmission capability, exceeding 12 meters or 40 feet. Its upgraded, high-end glossy design not only looks great but is also made from safe ABS material, keeping your family protected. What we like. This remote boasts a fast transmission speed and is built with durable ABS material for longevity. It's compatible with a wide array of Vizio Smart TV series. If you're looking for a remote that is both responsive and built to last, with a modern glossy design, this is a great pick. What people say. This remote is a perfect replacement for my old Vizio remote. All the buttons work as expected and it was easy to set up. The design of this remote is sleek and comfortable to hold. The layout of the buttons is intuitive, making it simple to navigate through the smart TV features. Number 1. Vizio XRT140 Remote. Introducing the Vizio XRT140 Remote, designed for seamless control of your smart TV. This remote offers direct access to your favorite streaming services. With dedicated keys for Vudu, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and Redbox, accessing your content has never been easier. Enjoy all your entertainment with a single device. This remote is compatible with a vast range of Vizio TV series, including V, M, D, P, PX, E, and OLED models. It also works with various older Vizio remote models. Forget complicated programming. This remote works right out of the box. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, not included, and start using it immediately. Its sleek black design complements any living room setup. Experience convenience and effortless control with this essential TV accessory. What we like. This remote comes with dedicated keys for popular streaming services like Vudu, Netflix, and more, and requires no setup. It's compatible with nearly all Vizio VMDP-PXE OLED series TVs. If you're a heavy streamer and want instant access to your favorite platforms without any hassle, this remote is ideal. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Vizio Smart TV. It was easy to set up and start using right away. All the buttons are clearly labeled and function as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.